Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to learn a short session on how to lay the breakfast cover. So breakfast is the very important meal of the entire day. Everybody must have the breakfast regularly to maintain the good health. So I'm going to show you how the tablecloth is laid. So the tablecloth is laid like this. You have to hold all the fingers like this, and you leave the first tap, and slowly you just pull it out. So this is how you lay the tablecloth, and wherever you want to make the adjustments, you want to make it, you can make it. Now we will put two chairs. We are going to lay two covers. How many covers? It's two covers. So here the table is here, the tablecloth is put, the table is chairs are ready. Always there are three things to remember: A, B, C. That is ashtray, bud wash, and cruet set. Ashtrays, normally it is not allowed in the coffee shop or restaurant because we have a smoking zone separately where you can have cigarettes and all these things while having your food and beverage. So smoking zone is something different. So we are not going to use the ashtray since it's a premises to college, the college restaurant. So we don't allow anybody to smoke inside the restaurant. So there is no need of ashtray. So A is cut. Second is B, that is bud wash. The bud wash is here, kept with a nice red flower, red rose. Then the C is cruet set. C stands for cruet set, that is salt and pepper. So you keep the salt and pepper here like this, and you keep the quarter plates. So quarter plates always comes on the left hand side of the gas, and you leave just half an inch, and here also half an inch, so that you can keep the plate. Now here comes again, this is comes from the left hand side of the gas. So here it is, the side plates or the quarter plates are being kept. Now you have to keep your cutleries and crockeries. So when you handle the cutleries and crockeries, make sure that you hold your clean cutlery in a proper manner, and you polish once again, and you keep it on the proper side, that is left hand side, half an inch gap, and again for the right hand side it is always the knife which comes on the right hand side of the gas. So this is the right hand side of the gas. Again you leave half an inch here, so that you make sure that the cover, the size of the cover with the cutlery and the crockery, it is 18 into 24 inches. So you leave sufficient space. Again you are going to lay the cover for the next person. So remember, all the cutlery should be straight, parallel to the opposite. You could see. Now here also I am going to keep the same half inch distance. This is parallel to the opposite cutlery. Now your table is set. When it is breakfast, probably for rolls, you can have your bread baskets, and for your for the tea coffee services, we basically, the highball glass is always kept on the tip of the knife like this. You can adjust the bread basket. So now what is very important is, generally when we see in the hotels it is a buffet. So the tea coffee with hot water and milk and your sugar balls, everything is kept ready. So it is how it is. You can see the breakfast setup. Now, very important is your cup and sauces for the breakfast setup. It is very important. So, cup and sauces get on the right hand side of the guest, so that once he consumes or during his meal, during his breakfast, he can consume the beverage, tea or coffee. So, again, to this particular guest, again the cup and saucer comes on the right hand side. Okay, fine. So now comes the napkin folding. We'll take the bishop cap, which is very easy and fast to make. So here is the bishop cap ready. Okay, this one, and again see the same procedure for the bishop cap, upside down, and you can see again upside down, again fold it properly, again tuck it inside properly, again tuck it inside the leftover corners.
Hello.
So there are two napkin
कर दिया ना
foldings
सर?
of the bishop cap has been done,
सर मैं बंकिंग वो जो
and
पिक्चर सर के पास है ना वीडियो
you
बनवा
see
रहा था
the napkins are always
हाँ हाँ
placed
बिल्कुल।
on the napkin is always placed on the center. So now you can see the total breakfast setup, and you have to have your waiter's cloth like this ready, standing near to the table. Once the guest arrives, you ask the guest to sit like this, pull the chair, and then the guest will sit down like this. So everything is there. The knife and the fork is here to consume the food. The fork always comes on the left hand side, the knife and the spoons always come on the right hand side, and this is the complete cover. Once the guest is coming, the glass has to be uplifted, otherwise you have to keep upside down because the dust particles will not get into this. So always once it is wide, you place the glass upside down. Once the guest comes, you can set it down. So this is how the basic concept of this video, how the breakfast cover is set. So thank you very much.